Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Sabbath to all. We are headed to Kellan's first football or soccer practice of the year. He did football when he was like 3 or 4. It wasn't last year, so it must have been like when he was like 3. And he didn't participate that well. Towards the end, he would participate a little bit more, but it was like pulling teeth. Like Dan was really like involved, hands-on, trying to get him to do things. So hopefully this year will be a little different. He does like to kick the ball around the house and stuff like that. So hopefully when other kids are doing it, he will be more in tune to try it. So we are a tad late, but we are almost there because it's not that far from our house. And we'll update you and tell you how well it goes. I'll try to add in bits and pieces of some clips. You know, we try our best not to add other children to the mix if we don't have to. Stay in this shady bit, okay? Stay in the square, okay? And then when you does it with a touch up.